Scientists! Okay. Okay. All right. This is Kid Science Labs. Duct tape, we rippin' ya. Duct tape, we rippin' ya. Duct tape, we rippin' ya. We put it on the wall, stick it up so it doesn't fall. The kids can't really reach it themselves. We help, but if they can, then we gonna celebrate. When's your birthday? We cannot wait. Then we accelerate when we eat cake for science sake. Remote controlled. Free Build Friday, y'all. Save the date, a little extra on the plate. This summer's gonna be great. Creative, something sweet. Imagine it all complete. Curious about it, just ask, no tricks, just treats. Inspired spit, save a seat. Valuable mistakes, now move your feet. You're feeling me from a full foam board sheet. Hop to y'all, indeed. Low, little friends, you remember being 4? How about 7? Be safe, have fun. Be safe, have fun. Be safe, have fun. Be safe, have. This is Kid Science Labs. Duct tape, we rippin' ya. Duct tape, we rippin' ya. Duct tape, we rippin' ya. But we also use painters, masking, double-sided, glow-in-the-dark, electrical tape, don't hate, test, earthquake, scooter, ride-in. Beep, beep, beep. We move our feet. We talk with treats. We got that science. We got that science. We got that science. We got that science.